Hey guys, it's Cree here. I'm a holistic trichologist, and I want to explain to you the importance of a hair and scalp evaluation. If you are someone who is noticing early signs of thinning, your scalp feels tingly, tight, dry, you're noticing flakes, you have a tender sensation, redness, bumps, anything of that nature on your scalp, or if you have excessive breakage or breakage that hasn't recovered for over a year, you definitely need to seek out a trichologist and get a hair and scalp evaluation or a hair and scalp analysis. Now, my client here came in with some concerns about hair loss. He is someone that has really thick dreads, and I believe that his hair loss was due to these locks being so thick. Like, he has dreads, and if you know dreads are those really, really thick locks, and you can see how much hair it was pulling from his hairline. So I did suggest that he cut off the hair that was being pulled from the hairline. I even suggested that he cut all of his dreads and probably, get a nice little fade and allow his crown to fill in a lot, because you can tell that there is a lot of potential for him to grow mostly all of his hair back, because we don't really see any thick bald spots. We just notice diffused hair loss. So when I see this, I know that I can definitely provide my client with some sort of results that they're going to be comfortable with, and something that they can feel confident with, as far as not covering it up and just wearing their natural hair. So I knew that I could offer that to him, and I'm just showing you guys exactly how sparse his hair looked, how thin his hair looked prior to me completing the service. The next video is going to be maybe the fourth or fifth treatment, and you can see how thick it is. So if you're someone who is suffering from hair loss, I can definitely provide you guys with a solution. Go to the alopeciadoctor.com, fill out the new client form, or just go ahead and schedule your hair and scalp analysis. Thanks for watching.